Hi, if you're watching this video, you have landed on the old YouTube channel for the Lee Kempner House in Galveston, Texas. We have a new channel that you need to jump over to. That's Lee Kempner House. And today you'll see over there a new video that we're posting with special guest Kathleen Macca about this incredible cemetery here in Galveston. And it's a beautiful spring day. The wildflowers are in bloom. This is a wonderful time to visit. And we're actually at the grave site of J.C. League's father, mother, brother,
Brother and his wife.
and his wife. And Kathleen is giving us a sneak peek focused on the League family and the other families that have lived in the house. That's part of a bigger cemetery tour that she gives. She's a local historian, author. You've written how many books, Kathleen?
I'm writing my fifth book now.
She's on her fifth book. She writes blogs about cool things all over the state of Texas. You travel continuously. She's a wealth of information. So you don't want to miss out on that video. There's a link in the description below that can take you there. Be sure and sign up and subscribe and turn on notifications because there are a lot of other interesting things related to the house and videos about the restoration of the house over there. So we hope to see you there. Thanks for watching.